In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Lyft driver portal or Lyft web dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Chrome is a good choice because it's widely supported and usually works smoothly with web-based dashboards like this one. If Chrome is already installed, simply launch it the way you normally would. On a computer, that may be from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder. On a mobile device, just tap the Chrome app to open it. Once Chrome is open, go to the Lyft driver portal or the Lyft web dashboard. You can do this by typing the official Lyft driver website address into the browser's address bar, or by searching for the Lyft driver portal in Google and selecting the official result. If you use search, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct Lyft page and not a third-party site. That helps protect your account and ensures you're signing in securely. After the page loads, look for the sign in or login area for drivers. The layout may look slightly different depending on whether you're using a computer or a phone, but the process is essentially the same. If the page redirects you or asks whether you want the driver section, choose the option that takes you to the driver dashboard. Now log in using your driver credentials. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your driver account, along with your password, exactly as registered. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and any saved autofill information, especially if multiple accounts have been used on the same device. If you're on a personal device, you may choose to save your login details for convenience, but on a shared or public device, it's best not to save that information. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that step as prompted to finish signing in. Once your credentials are accepted, you should be taken into your Lyft driver portal or web dashboard where you can access your driver-related information and account tools. And that's it. Open Chrome, navigate to the official Lyft driver portal, and sign in with your driver credentials. If you run into issues, double-check that you're on the official Lyft website and that your login information is entered correctly before trying again.